Well, good morning. I want to do just a real quick video for you. I want to encourage you to help you get over the top of that hill. Now, here's some things that you need to look at. One is, we have traffic coming to a capture page that goes to a series of follow-up emails. Now, one of those three things is not working for you, or you'd be making money. Back to life. For some of you, it may be that you're not getting enough traffic yet. So that needs to be your concentration. But also, you need to check the other two things and make sure they are set up right. Because over the last few days, I've looked at several of them, and there's some kind of glaring problems in there. I'm not making any money. Okay, yeah, that's right there, Swine. So those things need to be fixed. So my recommendation to everybody is this weekend, everybody go back through and check your funnel and your emails. And subscribe. Follow your process through. And to make sure that it is set up right. Make sure that your thank you page is about getting them the ebook, not about trying to sell them something. Yeah, we put things down below, and they do help us. Now, I'm going to put my link down below for my capture page for the Facebook ebook, and follow it through. Look at it. See what it's like. Okay? Because I'm getting sales. And I'm not working at that hard. So follow it through and see what it's like. Now, if you're not getting traffic, work on that. If you're getting traffic and nobody's signing up, then you need to work on your capture page. Make a completely different one. Keep it simple. Start, posting it also. And it's actually not a bad idea to make a different capture page so that you're not posting the same one every time on social media. You've got another one to use. And it's not a real bad idea. And the other thing is your follow-ups. Now, here's what I'd like everybody to do, because a couple of people have done it, only a couple, and there's some problems that come up there that I could see, but this is a problem, this is keeping you from doing that, is I would like you to go through your email follow-up, however many you have, 5, 10, 15, doesn't matter, 20, that you have already edited yourself, they're ready to go. And on a file, write down email number 1, it's about this. And if there is a call to action, something that you're promoting there, what is it? Number 2, about this. Number 3, about this. Number 4, about this. Number 5, about this. It tells me just a little bit about that email and what it's about and what you're promoting in that email. And then send that file to me. And this weekend, I'm going to be here all weekend working. This weekend, I will look at those. We'll set some time aside to look at them and tell you what I think. Because many times I can see problems that are in there. And I don't want them to be there. I want you to get the traffic, they get on your capture page, you're running the right percentage of conversions, and you're getting the right amount of sales. Because all of you are at the place right now where you have the skills, the ability to do it, it's just refining and fine-tuning what you're doing. So no matter how happy you are with your sales funnel right now, go back over it. Look at it again. And by Tuesday, we should have this done, and we should start seeing some different results than we are right now. Because if you have traffic, capture page, email follow-up, and you're not making sales, then there's a problem somewhere that we need to identify. So that's your task for this weekend. Okay? Let's get this thing going. Let's get you over the top of that hill, get that snowball started. So y'all do that, and then go through your follow-up emails, private message me that, and I will look at them, and then we will go from there. Talk to you later. Have a great weekend.